27 जनवरी 2026 में हम लॉन्च कर रहे हैं J&B Gandhi Academy. This is for transformation in education. In particular, we are going to be training teachers, principals, trainers, content developers, and supervisors to become even better at what they do and to help us all collectively transform education as we know it. We invite you to be a part, to enroll. It's a very short course, just 2.5-month course, and that's a core foundation in an advanced and accelerated method of teaching and learning and classroom ambience as per New Education Policy 2020, and so many other things in the NEP that need to be understood and therefore to be implemented within our classrooms. I also invite principals and trainers for those who wish to specialize in either of training or being a principal. Or even a content developer, or even a supervisor, a coordinator. I look forward to your joining in. The start date is 27th of January for the very first batch. And later on, we'll also do online. So hold on in case you cannot do it in the physical form. Enroll with us by going through the links.